Hi, this is Jennifer from Worth Higgins Associates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a print-ready PDF from Adobe InDesign. A properly made print-ready PDF is the fastest and most efficient way for us to process your order. Please visit worthhiggins.com and click Resources. Here you can download one of our PDF presets optimized for either offset or digital printing. For this tutorial, we'll use the Worth Higgins Offset Job Options file. If you don't already have the Grackle 2013 ICC Color Profile in your Color Profiles folder, it is included with the Worth Higgins Offset Job Options file. Copy it to where your computer stores color profiles. You may need to restart in order for the profile to be recognized by your applications. If you cannot install this color profile, I'll show you another option later in the segment. Here I have InDesign open. To load the Worth Higgins Job Options file, go to the File menu, down to Adobe PDF Presets, click Define, then Load, and path your way to the Worth Higgins Job Options file you previously downloaded. Select it and click Open. Now it shows up as a preset. If you are not able to load the Grackle 2013 ICC profile, select the Worth Higgins preset and click Edit. Go to the Output section, and for destination, select the CMYK profile called Coded Grackle 2006. This profile is very similar to the 2013 version. You can use that. Click OK, and done. Before you export to PDF, there are a few things you need to check. Check your links palette to make sure your links are good. Check for items that need to bleed. Anything that touches the trim edge must extend past the trim 1/8 of an inch. If you go to the Document Setup menu, you'll see where to enter a bleed value. Enter 0.125 all the way across, top, bottom, inside, and outside. It's okay. When guides are visible, you'll see a red rule around each page indicating the bleed margin. Make sure to extend items that need to bleed all the way to the red rule. If you go past, that's okay, as long as it's at least meeting that red rule. Also, your files should be created as single pages. Do not export as spreads. See how each page of this 8-page newsletter is on its own individual page. When you're ready to make the PDF, go to the File menu and click Export. Here it's asking where you want to save the PDF. Choose the Adobe PDF print format and save. Next, choose the Worth Higgins Offset Press Quality preset from the drop-down menu. This will automatically load settings that are optimized for high-resolution offset printing at Worth Higgins Associates. Crop marks are not needed. The bleed value is preset to 1/8 of an inch. On output, what we're doing here is telling InDesign to convert all RGB color used in the file to CMYK using the same destination profile optimized for our proof and press output. Again, if you cannot install the Grackle 2013 profile, the 2006 version works just as well. Do not use security. Press Export to save the PDF. Always inspect your PDF in Acrobat. If you do not see your bleed margins indicated, check your page display preference. Show art, trim, and bleed boxes needs to be checked. Next, go to Tools, Print Production, Output Preview, and make sure the simulation profile is set to the Grackle profile. Here you can turn separations on and off to see if your file will separate correctly. This file contains a spot color. If this file needs to print as 4-color process, I'll need to go back to InDesign and change that spot color swatch to CMYK. If everything else looks right, the PDF is ready for print. By the way, if you want a PDF of these instructions, it's available for download on the worthhiggins.com website under Resources.